Hi everyone, Barbara here. Today we're talking about the best multilingual video documentation tools that are out there. I have found that as my business has grown and connect with audiences all over the place, it's becoming more and more important for me to be able to create video documentation that's accessible in different languages. And this isn't just about translation. It's about creating videos that can genuinely connect across your cultures that you're working with and connect and clearly communicate the value of your product no matter where they are. So when it's done well, multilingual video documentation helps your message come across clearly, keeps your viewers engaged, and makes a lasting impact wherever it is. So I do want to, viewers that have different languages, they want to make it, they want to feel that the content was created for them from the start. So whether they're learning about your product or learning a listening to a tutorial or watching your company story, having content in their own language helps them connect and stays engaged longer. So I want to start with, we're going to go through 4 tools, and I want to start with Guidde. Guidde is my go-to. I find they do a really good job on all kinds of things, especially creating such things as like future notes, SOPs, training manuals. But they do a really good job with multilingual video documentation creation. And the way that they do it is that they have great editing tools. And after you have the editing tools, they can add a voiceover on top of what you've created. You can have different languages and the dialects on top of that. So that's a really nice option to be able to fit all of those in there. It's easy, and the Guidde is always at the right price point, at least for what I've noticed. You can also adjust your background, have your branding match, extra content for viewers, making editing super, super easy. The one thing I don't like about Guidde is they do have a limit on 100 steps for your video. So if you do have a product that you need to create that might be a little bit longer, then you may not want to choose Guidde because they do have that limit on there. They also don't have advanced video effects that you might want to special effects and things along those lines. So that might be something to consider. But it is a really, really good tool for your video documentation for multilingual. The next one I want to talk about is Synthesia. Synthesia is a great tool as well. They have avatars that communicate in over 140 languages. So that part is really good. And they're very polished in being able to understand how all of that fits together. I think they do a really, really good job. The other thing that I like about Synthesia is they generate the subtitles automatically. And this makes sure that your message is accessible. It saves a lot of time. Everything is super, super on top of things. They also have templates, so be able to hand your branding on top of there. And I like their avatars. Their avatars look like real people, which we'll get to in a minute. Some of them that may not look like real people. So they have a really good job on how they do it. So that's something to pay attention to. The next one we're going to talk about, and their pricing is good too, by the way, on Synthesia. So that's something to also look at. The other one we're going to talk about is Howdy-Go. Howdy-Go is, they call themselves an interactive product demo software. So once again, back to the video documentation tool. And I think they do a really good job. They have something called Howdy-Go Multilingua. So they do a really good job with Howdy-Go Multilingua that allows you to be able to create video documentation in multiple languages. They have a really good job. They do a really good job in focusing on the native language of where you're going to, and makes it easy to be able to understand. And their editing options, I've always liked Howdy-Go in that they have a lot of great editing, easy to use editing options that allows you to be able to get your story out there quickly. That said, though, the one downside about Howdy-Go is as we know, when you create, let's say, one video in multiple different languages, your demo library could be quite large after a while. And I do find with Howdy-Go is that managing those large demo libraries sometimes can get a little bit cumbersome with how to go. So that's something to pay attention to with them. But they are very user friendly and they are very interactive. That is something that you'll be able to get with that. So then AI Studios. AI Studios is a great tool, and they combine both AI dubbing, translation, very lifelike avatars. Synthesia also had avatars, but I think AI Studio does it a lot better in that they look like real people. And it also does, AI Studio does a good job of matching the lip movements, whereas Synthesia, I think, tries to do that, but they're not quite as good as Open AI Studios. So that's something to pay attention if you're looking for something that is very, very professional and engaging. You might want to look to AI Studios. However, that said, the more advanced features or the premium, the fancy avatars are only available on the paid plans, which when you look at someone like something like Guidde or Synthesia, you can get those on the either free or lower priced or the lower price plan. So that's something to think about as you're looking into all of these different tools. So AI Studios, like I said, does a really good job with their AI dubbing. They do a really good job with translating their content. And the other thing I forgot to mention earlier is they really have natural sounding voices where they're able to keep the original tone of the messaging. And I think they do a really good job with that. So in summary, we've covered 4 tools here. We have started with Guidde, which in my opinion is one of my favorite all-around tools, also for simplifying multilingual video documentation. I think Guidde does a really good job with helping you capture your workflows and then being able to edit it very quickly and easily. So I think that's what I really like about Guidde. The second one we talked about is Synthesia, which has all of these wonderful avatars where you can have avatars that are multilingual and you can create your own, like they said, expressive AI avatar. I think they do a really good job at that. Whether or not they're as good as AI Studios is realistic to be determined. I'll let you decide. The next one we talked about was Howdigo. I think Howdigo does a really good job being able to translate your content. And added bonus, they're very interactive in how they create their video documentations. So I think that's something to think about if that's something you're looking for. And then lastly, AI Studios, which is the tool that is, they call themselves all-in-one multilingual tooling. And in my opinion, I think they do a really good job creating avatars that are more realistic than some of the other platforms that are out there. So I hope that helps. Thanks, everyone. Bye.